GIT workflow for freelancers. What is a GIT workflow for freelancers? A GIT workflow for freelancers is the system you use to manage client projects safely and professionally using GIT. It defines how you organize client code, how you track changes, how you deliver features, how you fix bugs, why it matters, protects client work, prevents breaking live projects, makes handover easier, shows professionalism. For freelancers, GIT equals safety plus trust. Why freelancers need a GIT workflow? Some freelancers think, I work alone, I don't need a workflow. But without workflow, cross-mark risky updates, cross-mark lost changes, cross-mark hard to debug, cross-mark unclear history. With workflow, check mark safe deployments, check mark easy rollback, check mark clean project history, check mark better client confidence. Branch structure for freelancers. Recommended structure. Main means stable client version. Feature branches means new client requests. Bug fix branches means fixing reported issues. Release branches means preparing delivery. Example: main, feature, add payment, feature, UI redesign, bug fix, login error, release, version 1.2. Why? Keeps client version stable, allows parallel work, easy delivery. Client feature workflow. For every client request, create feature branch from main. Implement feature. Commit changes. Test locally. Merge into release or main. Why? Isolates client work. Avoids breaking live code. Tracks billable changes. Bad practice. Cross-mark work directly on main. Cross-mark mix multiple client tasks. Good practice. Check mark one request equals one branch. Check mark clear branch names. Commit strategy for freelancers. Commits should be small, clear, professional. Good commit messages. Add invoice generation feature. Fix checkout validation error. Refactor order service logic. Bad commit messages. Update. Done. Client change. Why? Makes debugging easy. Helps audits. Shows professionalism. Bug fix workflow. Client issues. When a client reports a bug, create bug fix branch from main. Fix issue. Test fix. Merge into main. Deploy. Example: bug fix, cart crash. Why? Quick response. Safe fix. Keeps history clean. Release and delivery strategy. Before delivery, create release branch. Final testing. Tag version. v2.0. Deploy. Merge back to main. Why? Easy rollback. Track client versions. Professional delivery. Using GitHub or GitLab with clients. Benefits. Check mark clear change history. Check mark easy collaboration. Check mark easy handover. Check mark transparency. Bad habit. Cross mark sending only zip files. Good habit. Check mark share repo. Check mark use issues. Check mark use PRs. If team exists. Documentation for freelancers. README should explain. Project overview. Setup instructions. Features. Client specific notes. Why? Helps client. Helps future maintenance. Makes handover easier. Testing before delivery. Freelancers must test all features. Run app. Check edge cases. Why? Your reputation depends on quality. No car team. Common freelancer GIT mistakes. Working directly on main. No version tags. Huge commits. No README. No branches. No history. Why? Risky deployments. Hard client support. Looks unprofessional. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature. Client dashboard. Bug fix. Payment error. Release. Version 1.3. Commits. Add. Fix. Update. Refactor. Example. Fix invoice calculation bug. Why? Easy to read. Easy to search. Professional look. How this helps your freelance career. Good workflow. Check mark builds client trust. Check mark makes bug fixing fast. Check mark makes scaling easier. Check mark looks professional. Clients see. Change history. Versions. Professional delivery. Real life analogy. GIT workflow for freelancers is like saving contracts and revisions. Without versioning. Confusion. With versioning. Clear history. Branches equals revisions. Commits equals edits. Main equals final contract. In simple words, freelancer GIT workflow means work safely, track changes, deliver clean code, fix bugs fast. Best strategy for freelancers. Use check mark feature branches, check mark version tags, check mark clear commits, check mark documentation. Avoid cross mark direct main edits, cross mark no releases, cross mark no readme. For freelancers, your code equals your reputation. A good GIT workflow. Check mark protects client work. Check mark makes delivery safe. Check mark builds trust. Check mark grows your business.